All right, I wanted to go live streaming, but it started raining and I wanted to use the e-bike, and I tried not to use the e-bike in the rain. I don't want to get electrocommuted, take a normal ride, and go buy some Reese's cup. Maybe we'll catch some rain. Still big storm clouds on the horizon. It's nice weather. I was all ready to leave and it started raining. The connection is so bad when it's raining. It's raining a little bit. Been raining like that for almost 2 weeks now. Yesterday was the outlier. Yeah, I streamed yesterday, but it was so bad. It's not straight. Should be straight now. Should be a different view. Should be a different view on the angle. Should be a wider field of view. We'll see how that looks. Hopefully nothing falls on the lens. It's not a big deal though. Now if the view looks better like this, and you're wondering why I'm not streaming like that, it's because I cannot change it on the live stream. On the stream, the view should be set to wide. And right now it should be set to super view. Probably make an edited video of this one, see how that goes. Police car. Hey bird. Oh, big renovation right there. Big hole. Big swimming pool, as I call them. All right, you can benefit from this right here. They painted the lines. go in the woods a little bit. Just one lap. Just one lap. Man, they were speaking so loud. Just one lap. Come on. Watch out there. Nothing. People doing their daily exercise, daily walking and running and yoga. And the tree, some trees were cut. It is what it is. Remember here, remember this tree. Takes the road a bit. When I started biking like 7 years ago, wasn't that like 9 or 8 years ago, I would come through here and just do the circle I'm gonna do now. Oh. Nice down slope from here, and it goes in circle. So we'll come here and do this thing like 2-3 times. Got me in shape when I started out, it was fun. cutting all the trees. All the trees that are too big and risky, at risk of falling, I guess. Every time I come here after a storm, there's like 1 or 2 trees that fell down. Alright, just 1 lap. Just one. This is still 1 lap. Come on, guys. Remember this tree? I told you, remember? Now you're remembering that this is only 1 lap. We only saw that tree once. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Clean the lens. Oops. Alright. Oh, it's raining profusely. Profusely. So instead of turning here, I'm gonna turn there now and gonna exit. He's gonna go through a nice downhill for like 2-3 minutes. Never counted it. No, not here though. Alright, so here I just give myself a nice boost and she'll end up at the entrance without doing anything. These things always scare me. Maybe I think it's somebody just standing there menacingly. Raining pretty good. Still dry though. Alright, at the entrance, didn't pedal once. It's pollen right there. It's all dandelion pollen on the side. No, that's water. It's both. Never mind. Looks like snow. Look at this. Looks like cotton. Ow, cramp on my foot. Weird position.
Huh?
There's no way, there's nothing on my lens. Alright. Now let's go buy some Reese's cups and some Island coconut chocolate bars. is going to be a nice exit now that they added asphalt. Because normally you'd have to go on the street. And it was like a side like this, straight down. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. My glasses, man, they're all wet. Like, look at this. There's a car right there. Let's do it. I crossed this before the light turns green. Smells like pool, like I'm at the swimming at the lake or something. Got the chlorine. Oh, I hear thunder.
T'es une youtubeur ou quoi?
Culé.
T'es youtubeur?
Some of this, some of that. Got what I wanted. Some mini Reese's mini, and some island bar. Cup of water. Get in there. Now it's all wet. Let's finish this shit. So according to the Canadian El Nino chart, we should be going through a dry spell. Yeah, absolutely not. It's been like that for 2 weeks. We have a song just for that in Canada, in Quebec, Canada. Let me get here. Then we go down here. There's an ambulance right there. All right, see you guys. Bye bye.